pints and you're someone else. If you can't see my mirrors, then I can't see you. So don't say you won't forgive me, 'cause you always do. At least you say you do. It's funny how when it's upside down I push through, I just put up with